Here AI Photo Enhancer app. So let's just open it up and go through it. Now you can also create AI avatars in this app, which is pretty cool. And recently this app entered a lot of like top charts in the US App Store. So yeah, let's just explore it. However, it takes some time for it to load. It's quite heavy app, especially if you have like an older iPhone. So this is like iPhone 7. So yeah, finally you can just proceed here. It's instantly recommends you to upgrade for $39.99 lifetime or $4.99 per week. So yeah, anyways, let's just do it. So for example, let's just create AI avatar here. What to expect. You need to upload photos. Unfortunately, it's like, yeah, it just takes some time to load. So you need to upload 10-20 selfies of yourself, but don't be in group photos. Don't include pets or other people. Just have a good lighting and have a good like different emotions and different face expressions on your photo. So that's basically the idea. And then I will just demonstrate you how it might work. So I have selfies here. So just for an example, I can just upload some of the selfies, and then I can just add all of these photos here. And then just import in progress. But I think for these AI photos, you will still need to pay additionally because it's pretty expensive, all this computational power. So then just select your gender, and then yeah, to generate 50 unique avatars, 5 variations of 10 styles, you need to pay one-time payment of $5.99 in Pixelup. Because AI avatars consume tremendous computational power to create avatars for you, so it's expensive, but yeah. But you can also get 50% off with subscription. So if you get a subscription, it will be worth not like $6, it will be like $3. Yeah, and then you can get like a lifetime subscription for Pixelup for $40, which can be a nice deal. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Yeah, hope yeah, that's basically how it works. There are a bunch of other apps like Lensa AI, Dawn AI, like other web apps where you can create these AI avatars, but usually it won't be cheaper. It's about the price if you want to generate those. And I think majority of them are based on this Stable Diffusion API, if I'm correct. And it's so yeah, that's basically the idea. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it.